Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be remodeling this alley scene. After watching this video, you can totally create a similar or even more renders of the scene. Before we start modeling, if you are new, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Rogue Knight 3D. Let's go to Blender. First I am going to show you the actual scene that I designed earlier. I will not be talking a lot throughout this video, because this video can be a time lapse but on a regular speed. I have screencast keys on, and I will try to go slow, so even the new beginners can follow along, and you can send your renders in my Instagram inbox, because I will love to see your work. In the end of the scene creation process, your geometry also will look much the same. Have 10 edge loops on all sides vertically. Now 25 horizontally. Ctrl L is used to copy and paste modifiers from the selected geometry to the other. It is time to put windows in the scene. I am using windows from the Archimesh add-on. If you do not have that add-on enabled already, then go to Preferences, in Add-ons tab, right arch, and you will see the add-on, check it and then you will be able to use that add-on. Make the windows empty the parent object of the curtain by shift selecting both and pressing Ctrl P. You have to select the empty as the second object when shift selecting both of them. If you do not have Bool Tools add-on enabled, then go to Preferences, in Add-ons tab, write Bool and you will see the add-on, check it. We can make collections of these windows and use them to make instances, but we already did a lot of new stuff today and many new users do not want to learn more. So I am using the noobs shortcut method by selecting all of the objects from the editor and make instances of objects. Press Shift-C to center the cursor first. I will not be putting material on the wall, because I already have another video of how to create a brick wall. It is the same process, I will give its link in the description and will share in the end, you can totally check out that video. I used the evening road HDR to lit up my scene. You can get it from hdrihaven.com, you can totally check out this website. Time to place the camera, press Ctrl and Alt plus 0, to place the camera directly on the angle from where you were viewing the scene. To get that deep wide angle look, go to camera settings. I am going to use 30mm focal length on the camera. Check depth of field, click on the eyedropper and click on any window that you want in focus. You can use 2.8 on the f-stop, but I used 3.5 so more of my scene can be in focus. Because the lower you go, the shallower the depth of field will be. After going through all the process, you will have a scene like this one and can totally make a render. How to create the brick wall video will shortly show up on your screen. You can totally watch that one if you want to put material on the wall we just created. This is all for today. Again, if you like the video, then please like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Take care, happy blending.